Another fun thing to play with. I love these things, dude. They're just little pieces of glass. Little round see-through pieces of glass. And they're flat on the bottom, which is actually really useful because they don't, you know, roll around like a marble does. See that? Well, okay. I mean, they slide, but they don't roll. You know what? We're not even going to argue about this one. Because I'd just be arguing with myself. Which I do anyway. Anyway, so, yeah. But rolling marbles look cool too. And let me tell you why. Because I'm pretty sure we did this back in the day, yo. Probably was a Mrs. Thorogood lesson. So, paper, paint, like whatever color you want. And then marbles. Roll them around. Roll them around. Bam! Really cool image. What? Yeah, I just did that with the marble and spray paint. I'm a genius. It's so easy, man. Anyway, so you can see how round marbles are like excellent, but how if you wanted to like apply like hot glue something that's like looks like a marble, it is so much cooler when it is a half sphere, so that it is round on the top and flat on the bottom. And they sit flat and they line up flat so that you can put them, you know, you can glue them on, make really cool like headdresses and things. That was the other thing I was going to tell you is just, I mean, I'm assuming the whole elastic band and, you know, ties, you're going to just naturally figure out. I think it was the little more like, I wonder what this crazy person would think of if somebody told her to do that. That's what just happened. I didn't even try. I just want to see in 10 minutes how many things I could grab that I think I could make something cool that would be space themed for an applique hat out of. And I was just like, bam, that would be cool. Actually, you know what I was thinking, like, when I was getting into it, because, like, out of the property, we've got, you know, all these, like, bait trays and crab pots and, like, all kinds of, like, netting and, like, cool kind of wire stuff. And there's this metal, like, sheeting that you use on dock planks when you're walking down so that the rain goes through it and you're not sliding on the wood. And it's, like, you know, kind of does a swirly and or sometimes spiky, and there's, like, kind of different amounts of it. I thought it would be so cool to take a chunk of this stuff, and it's, like, it's pretty intricate. Like, it's just small holes, like, but you could make like a cube, or I was thinking a rectangle, maybe like this, like probably 2 inches tall, I don't know, and like a perfect square or rectangle or triangle or whatever. I was thinking a square would be kind of funky, and then you could just have it like so easily, you know, roll that little hair into a nice little stand on which to perch your freaking space station. And you could have like a to the side almost like cube, look more like that, I guess, like floating out of your hair, like so coming on stick and boom. And then you could hang stuff off the end of it, or you could like put something up and then hang stuff down off of it, or not. Like, yeah, so you could do that outside of the corrugated tubes if you wanted to, and the lines. And there's one more thing that I think I should probably show you because it's a cool idea, and I don't think you probably would have seen the stuff laying around to think of it. So let me grab that.